This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, it's been a long day. Man, we got videos like crazy. But anyway, this is part 2, 1999 Dodge Dakota 3.9. We're doing an engine swap, engine replacement. In part 1, you guys and girls saw how this engine was. And what I want to do here in part 2 is both of us together gonna go over this, because when you're doing a job like this, especially when you're not guaranteeing anything and all that, you still have to follow certain procedures, because it can fall back on you. Let's go over this for example, this engine. Customer got the engine. That's all. Customer got the engine. That's all we was hired for, is to replace it, put the engine in. But here's the problem with this. There's pieces of papers up there that you saw from part 1. There's a checklist of things that must be done in order for this warranty in order for them to give them a warranty and all. Because without them being done, they're going to void the warranty. Now this falls on us now. Now what we have to do is go over this paper, inform the customer that this is what this place wants done for him to be able to have a warranty. And now it's going to be up to the customer. And then it's going to be another expense. I mean, you got to see this. Listen to what I'm about to go over with you also. And it's kind of messed up, man, because we got, just like I said, you saw, we had these freeze-out plugs that's messed up. So we got to let him know also. And what we're doing is letting him know to contact LKQ, send them a link to this video, to part 1, and this one, part 2, so they can see what's going on also. So in the long run, if something happens, it won't be falling back on Astro. Nope. No way. We won't be doing that this time. Nope. So it's called, what's that? Dotting your I's and crossing your T's, or crossing your T's, dotting your I's. There, we doing that. So both of us together, let's go over this engine one more time before we proceed. And definitely, I'm open to some comments. Let me know what you do. Some guy put up there, run. But we ain't gonna do that. But let's go over this engine together, carefully, the both of us. And I'm gonna walk around the whole engine, because if sometimes you guys see something in my videos that I don't see, and I appreciate you letting me know that. So let's go over this engine carefully. I'm gonna carefully go around with the camera, get a nice light and all. And if you see anything, be sure to put them in the comments below, okay? I'm pretty sure LKQ and I'm pretty sure the customer is going to be watching these videos. And I want them to also look at the comments of what you guys and girls post. All right? Let's get right to it. It's getting kind of dark, so we get a light, and we're going to carefully go around this. Be right back. Wait a minute. Did I say, can you dig it? Dig it. I don't know. Can you dig it? All right, here we go. First, I'm going to start from the top. Let me get this out of the way. So you can pause the video if you want, so you can read this. Okay, having did that, let's go to the top. We're gonna be changing this whole harness anyway. This pipe right here is from the other engine. We're gonna be changing that one, putting it off. Looks like this thing been into a lot of dirt and all. I don't want to open up that throttle because I don't want that stuff to go down there. And that stuff that's look like speedy dry or something that's in there. So I have no idea whether that's inside the engine, but I just don't want to open that up now. At the thermostat, there's a lot of rust in this system. Okay, we're gonna go around. Alright, let's go over here towards the front. Now, one thing they said, replace the water pump. I don't know, they like they dropped this engine out of there. Broken bracket. There's the freeze-out plug. Number one. That's rusted, and you can tell it was leaking. There's no question about it. It was leaking. You know, and I don't want to do anything. I don't want to change the freeze-out plug. And they said, well, that voids the warranty and all this mess. I ain't got time for it. All right, let's go around to the side of the engine. It looks like brand new spark plugs was put in here with brand new wires. I'm not sure whether that was to fix some kind of misfire it had or anything. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can see up into the exhaust. See anything? Looks like that motor mount bracket, the whole bracket's busted up. Alright. Let's go to the back. There's the other freeze-out plug. Back of this engine looks like it's been sitting in rain. Like it's been in water or something. That's another thing that's worrying me. Let's go to this side. Let's try to look up into this exhaust. You know, let's try. Okay. New valve cover gaskets. Let's go around to this side. Getting darker out here. Let's go up under here. We got a bolt missing out of the motor mount. Look like it had a, I don't know if that's oil. That looked like oil. But the valve cover gaskets was changed. Maybe it had an oil leak. And we changed it. Okay. That bracket's busted. It's the last part of that whole bracket we're gonna change. They really butchered this thing, taking it out. Now the rust on those bolts right there, it look like it's been, It's like if it had water on it or something. I mean, hold on. I'm trying to smell. It's gotta smell burnt antifreeze. All right. You had a good look at it. You got a good look at what they want up there. I appreciate somebody ran the VIN and checked the engine out. So that was cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. So there you go, guys. I hope you got a good look at this. I don't know. So, all right, we're back. All right, it's too dark to do a closing, so we're going to end the video like this. All right, this is part 2. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astralautorepairs.com. You know what's messed up about this, guys, is they want you to, they want you to do all this whole list. They want you to do the whole list for a warranty. And what happens? You do this whole list, changing every gasket, seal, and everything, and this engine's no good. What happens then? I mean, that would suck for the customer. Personally, we don't get used engines. I just won't do it. Either we're gonna rebuild it, like we're doing that Jeep Liberty, so we know what's going on, or we just get a rebuilt one. But that's what we face. So this is pretty much to cover us, to let them know that we see the list, we know what you want. We're gonna let the customer know, so you can let the customer call it, and let LKQ know this is about the freeze-out plugs. All right, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. Look at that, man. Look at that. And we still got the Jeep over there. Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. Take it easy.